will explain you what one thing is. How much of this country, part of this country is like a fish species, poisonous fish. It's like police, lunatic, jail, the court, and money. And they are constantly like spinning around you. Like hypnosis, they're spinning, they're spinning, they're spinning. For what? Are you a good boy? Are you a bad boy? Everything in life is, are you good or bad? I'm speaking to you, Rashman. Are you good or you bad? And then you go to you're good in your bed. Money. You see, in this little train, it's almost impossible to make money. You have